So very carefully, you don't want to burn yourself. I can feel that it's very hot and the filling is nice and soft. So now I'm going to add my 1 cup of frozen defrosted peas. And again, feel free to use fresh peas if you like. My preference is to always use organic. And this will just take a second to cook. You could even add more than a cup. More vegetables, the better. The way that I like to serve it is I like to make sure that everybody gets at least 2 of these pot stickers. Maybe even 3 if I like them, because they're the best part. And then a lot of broth. And again, if they get a slice of ginger, they get a slice of ginger. You can just tell them it's in there. And what I like to do, this is what the soup looks like, and you can see it's just really beautiful with the green, with the fresh green peas and the bright orange carrots because I didn't overcook them. And what I like to garnish it with is some bean sprouts, some chopped scallions, and cilantro. And I love these little spoons that you can get in the Asian market. And it's really pretty, and I promise you it tastes better than it looks.